This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 9th of November. I'm James Spann. You know what tomorrow is, don't you? We all gather together for Storm Alert Extreme. Once a year, we do spotter training, and tomorrow is the day. We'll be at the Birmingham Jefferson Civic Center downtown. We'll start it at 9 o'clock. Just come. No need to register. It doesn't cost anything, and we promise that you will get really a lot out of this. And we encourage everybody that's been trained before to come again for retraining. This year, we have a really good session on using dual polarization radar products, and I think everybody's going to get a lot out of this. So we'll see you there. That's tomorrow, BJCC, downtown Birmingham at 9 o'clock. When we're done, you get to go to the Alabama International Auto Show at no cost. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. That's from Tuscaloosa. Looks like some fog over the Black Warrior River. That's seen from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. That's our Skycam at Parrish in Walker County, below Jasper. And there's a look at First Baptist Church of Hamilton up in Marion County, as seen from Hamilton High School. Well, the big cold trough that was over us is lifting out, ridging taking its place, and a really deep trough out in the western states. We'll keep an eye on that in coming days. Cold again this morning. Look at those numbers. Temperatures are below freezing over much of North Alabama. Birmingham at 37. Those were taken at 5 o'clock. But again, we'll warm up nicely today with upper 60s. Around the nation, cold in the east. Awfully cold in Canada. Some of that cold air dipping down into the northern U.S., and we'll feel that by Tuesday of next week. That's our next surge of cool air due in here. Watch warning map, a lot of issues. We've got, of course, around here, we've got freeze and frost advisories for much of Alabama and Georgia, and they'll stop issuing those soon as the growing season ramps up. But look at all of the winter weather issues for Montana and North Dakota, blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings up there, a lot of issues for the mountains as we get deeper into fall. In advance of that cold air push, there could be some strong to severe storms tomorrow. This is the day 2 convective outlook, and the risk is from Oklahoma up into extreme southern Minnesota. And on day 3, which is Sunday, there is a slight risk around the Arklatex. That includes Shreveport, Texarkana, Longview, Tyler, Little Rock. Much of Arkansas is involved in that. And again, as it moves east, I would say that the odds of severe weather here pretty small Mondays, you'll see. We'll look at modeling in just a second. There's the QPF chart. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Valid through Tuesday evening of next week, and this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch for most of the state, and that would be on Monday. Other than that, we'll be dry for a while. We'll check modeling. This is the 06Z GFS at noon today, and this is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. Again, ridging here, big cold trough in the west. And down below that, weather just gorgeous today. Sunny with a high in the upper 60s. Low humidity, blue sky, sunshine, and while we enjoy that, snow continues out west. Tomorrow, what a day to start the weekend. The NAM is at 71, the GFS is at 73. A bright sunny day. Again, cold in the west. We got a 994 millibar low developing on the lee of the Colorado Rockies. Then for Sunday, cold front progresses to the east. And again, this is at noon Sunday, and you can see storms on that front, but we're still in great shape. Sunday should be a mild day, becoming fairly breezy. High should be in the low to mid 70s. And Monday, there's your trough, and you can see the main energy is north of here. And down below that, this run a little faster. At midday, it's got the storms in here. We've seen some runs that show the storms Monday night. Well, this shows it during the day Monday. So no doubt there's going to be some strong storms coming in here. So the question is, will there be any severe weather? First off, we'll look at the storm relative velocity in the lower levels. This is 0 to 1 kilometer. Those values are somewhat marginal for rotating updrafts. This is the instability, the surface-based CAPE, convective available potential energy. A little sliver of higher CAPEs ahead of the front, but again, that's marginal. And the energy helicity index is under 1. So we'll mention a chance of strong storms, but clearly with numbers like that, it's not going to be a major severe weather problem. In fact, severe weather, I'd say, is unlikely based on this. But we'll watch things over the weekend. All right, this is Tuesday. The showers and storms are gone. We get back into cooler air. as highs drop into the low to mid 50s, coming over a snowpack. It'll be a cool, chilly day. Wednesday of next week will be probably around freezing to start the day, the high around 60. Thursday, low 60s. Friday of next week, a week from today, mid 60s. And we know to storm off to the west, a storm system will go to the next day. This is Saturday, the 17th of November. And energy passing north of us, that's going to push a cold front through here, and that will suggest a chance of showers and storms. But again, the good news, that is not really a severe weather look. We'll go out there a week from then. This is the 24th of November. This is the Saturday after Thanksgiving. And the pattern is fairly zonal across the country, which means the air won't be that cold if this is right. And down below that, that would suggest relatively comfortable and dry weather that weekend after Thanksgiving. But we all know that could change. It's a long way out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.